Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I'm here, my friend's house. So his name is Divyansh Gupta, and he's a whole food plant-based diet he used, and he even invited us to have some breakfast with him. So let's see, go inside and have some food he will prepare in front of you, and you will also learn one dish, and it will be fun, right? Let's go inside. Okay. Hi.
Namaste,
Namaste.
Sapna. Please come. Welcome.
Yeah, nice.
Hey,
Let's
Sanad.
go.
Please come.
Wow.
Welcome to my home.
Thank you for inviting us.
No,
So
no,
you are making some special for
yes,
us, right?
yes. Let's have some smoothies.
Smoothies?
Fruit
Yeah.
smoothie.
Fruit smoothies.
Yes.
Okay. Is it good for morning breakfast?
Absolutely, absolutely. It is very wholesome.
Huh?
It is filling.
Okay.
And it is very good. There is no replacement for having fruits directly,
Mm-hmm.
but occasionally indulging in a smoothie is good.
Oh, okay.
So you will love the smoothie now. It's
Yeah, I'm very excited.
come,
Let's see.
come.
Oh, bees.
They are dancing in because you have come.
Oh yeah! Oh my god! Oh my god! You have a big. Oh my god! See?
They are welcoming you.
Oh wow! I didn't say this. Oh my god! It's nice. Very
Yes.
interesting. You don't get bite. You
No,
are not afraid of.
No, because they are your friends, right? If you damage them, if you harm them, if you send negative vibes, any animal or any human being will harm each other.
Oh my god!
So
And you
you-
have a kid also.
Yeah, we all play here all the time.
Oh my god! Yeah. Yeah, it's not an easy thing to accept, right? People will make
Because of
them fly away.
that's what I told you, no? Preconceived notions that they tell you.
Yeah.
So when you learn real threat versus perceived threat,
Mm.
you know where to create a line and where
Yeah.
to maintain the distance, where to get close. Doesn't mean I go hug them.
Yeah.
It means you be around, they will be around, live and let live. Coexistence.
Wow.
Coexistence, you'll be happy.
Nice thoughts. Very nice.
It's a living proof.
Yeah.
For last 7 years, they have been building their house here in front of my house also. Maids come, we all come. If you're sending
Yeah.
good vibes, they will be good. If you try to be aggressive in front of them,
Yeah.
or you become afraid, they will
They'll
sense
get to
it
know.
and they may
Ooh.
attack that.
Okay.
If you throw water, smoke, or try to throw a stone, definitely they will attack. Even you will do that. If I come to
Yeah,
your house and
obviously.
put smoke inside, try to enter without your permission, you will also get aggressive.
Yeah,
So that's how nature is.
Yeah, that's true. Wow.
Come, let's make some smoothie.
And he is ready with the mangoes. Fresh mangoes.
Yes.
Wow. See, he has washed it and kept it ready.
Soaked in water and
Mm-hmm.
washed and soaked in water. That's very important for mangoes. So
Okay, so eating fruits in the morning is good.
yes, it's
And what about the smoothies? Like you said, like occasional we can have it, right?
yes. See, the whole point is that fruit should be had. Any food should be had in its most whole form that it is sent by the nature, right? So that is why when you eat the fruit, you're chewing and you're gradually your salivary glands is putting the digestive enzymes. The digestion begins from the mouth.
Mouth,
And you're holding the fruit and then eating it. That also is sending the signals to the brain. The smell, the hold, the touch. That way your digestion begins from here. The digestive juices will begin when you hold the fruit.
Okay.
Not the spoon, but the fruit.
With the hand
the
we have to
hand.
hold, yeah.
The sight, how it is. So my brain's intelligence is processing how to digest it. So that's how it's supposed to be. But again, keeping it simple, you can have smoothies occasionally, which is good also. But having fruit in the whole form is better than having smoothie.
Yeah,
So-
but it's not bad.
It's not bad.
comparing to
Yes, yes. For-
normal breakfast.
Yes. If you're making rich of ghee and oil and cooked food and all that, this is 100 times better. Even smoothie.
Yeah.
What is smoothie is better than even juice. So people will remove the pulp and only eat the remove the juice.
fiber. They will remove the
So
fiber.
that is the problem. Then you are again trying to process the food. So less amount of processing you do, better it is. Cutting is also processing, right? Putting it into shapes and sizes, changing the texture is also a process. But one level of processing is still acceptable.
Yeah, comparing other
Comparing to the 100 levels up where you use chemicals also to process, or you cook, or you put
Yeah.
oil,
Yeah.
you change the complete form of the
Yeah.
food,
Yeah.
you kill the nutrition also. That instead of that, at least this is still enjoyable, I would say. So indulgence is good, but should not harm you too much. Those
Yeah.
kind of indulgence is good.
How to cut this avocado? It's very easy, no need to remove the peel outside. We have to cut this in the center like this way, and see, it came out. One came out and another. Take out the seed and just scoop this with a spoon, like take out the pulp, and remaining it will be like outer skin. That's it, very easy.
He's adding bananas. So 4 mangoes. No.
5 mangoes,
5 mangoes, 4 bananas,
4 bananas, and
One.
1 kg,
Papaya.
800 grams to 1 kg of papaya.
Hmm.
But we have to see how much more space we have.
Yeah.
Based
Once
on
you
that.
grind, you can add some
So
more.
we'll do that actually, yeah.
Or else you can do 2 batches.
So let's see if this grinds.
ಸೊ ಅವರು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಅದೆರಡು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ತೆಗೆದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅದು ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ.
How to cut the dragon fruit? It's very easy. I will show you very easy method. No need to peel the skin. Just cut in the center like this way using the knife, and just using a hand peel full skin out. See, and you can remove the extra one like top and the bottom. See, that's it, and very easy, right? Easy busy. And you can cut this into any shape. So I don't have space here in cutting board. I'm using in my hand only. I'm cutting this, but use carefully. You can cut that. It's very soft. You can give it any shape, bigger one, small piece, any size you can cut. Okay.
So dragon fruit we have put down little bit because it has more. We have chopped it one full dragon, right? So we have just put it down again. See now,
I'll pour the
for
smoothie.
serving time. Oh my god, it's delicious.
Do you get water in
Wow.
your mouth?
Yeah, obviously.
That is how natural food is. If you're
Yeah.
getting water in your mouth by looking at it also, natural food, not made in the lab,
Oh.
not made by humans to artificially induce salivary glands in your mouth. That is not natural. This is natural from the nature.
Okay, now decoration time. I like to decorate a very neat way, but there is less space. We have more toppings here, so we are just dumping on top of it, but it still looks wonderful, right? Okay, let me try this. How is the taste?
See, it's beautiful, right? And very colorful.
It's just burst in your mouth. The full flavors of all mango, avocado,
Banana,
banana, and papaya, and even the toppings also. All together, only fruits, and there is no added any extra sugar, but it still has the natural sugar.
No
right?
milk, no curd.
Yeah.
Very simple.
And no coconut milk also, he has not added anything. And make a better version of yourself by adding slowly these healthy recipes in your life. So why we can really just go and buy some fruits and just grind it and make a smoothie and decorate with some fresh fruit and then have it. Don't have it like that only because you should need to please your eyes also.
And keep eating.
Yeah, keep eating smoothies. Thank you so much for welcoming here and inviting here for us this beautiful smoothie. And I'm enjoying it. Thank you so much.
Thank you for coming.
Yeah, thank you.